Good afternoon. I'm going to be talking about um, a syndrome today that I myself suffered from for the very long time. I call it the Robin Hood syndrome, and for Indians who understand, the Rani Jhansi syndrome. So I thought that I can fix people's problems and I can be like, Sar jo tera chakaraye ya dil डूबा जाए आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए. Essentially, I thought that if I'm sincere and nice and honest and good and helpful and kind and compassionate, I can solve this person's issue. I can be there for them and I can't quit on them, and eventually they would end up becoming my responsibility, emotionally especially. So are you having this tendency where you feel you have the ability to take more, to bear more, to take more burden? And believe me, emotional burdens, emotional baggages, everyday struggles, negativity of other people can completely bog you down. So eventually, to raise back up, you will have to learn that you are not capable or remotely able of being the Robin Hood for everybody. You will have to pick and choose people who you support, and also they will have to help themselves. So this I want to keep really short. I'm sure you will be able to recognize 5 people today for whom you are carrying their burdens. They refuse to work on their emotional well-being. They refuse to work on their mental and relationship and spiritual growth. They refuse to learn. They refuse to grow. They refuse to take responsibility for the mess in which their life is. And they have climbed up to you because you are this strong banyan tree who thinks is stable and ground and strong and solid and capable and able. And they are this parasite vine which has come creeping to basically live off you and feed off of you. Imagine the energy, the nourishment, the food, the joy, the ideas, the innovation that they are stealing from your life, and imagine your life if you could have all of that back. Yes, be helpful to your friends and family, be responsible, do your bit, but do not forever suffer from these syndromes, either the Robin Hood one or the Rani Jhansi one, where you feel you can compensate for the lack of responsibility of the other person in their life. That is just not possible. Certain healing, certain work, certain growth, certain lessons have to be learned by us ourselves. We have to work hard. We have to dig deep. We have to find a way. We have to seek help. And a disclaimer here, I'm not talking about people who are suffering from chronic depression or have some mental disease and they're under treatment and they need support of their family and friends. I am talking about these people who just do this because it's easy. It's so easy to pile on to you. Vikram, 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 Betal, Betal, Betal. Vikram, 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 Betal, Betal, Betal. Imagine, I can never get that image out of my head. How Betal was always on top of Vikram ultimately, and Vikram just couldn't get rid of him. So it's easy for these people to keep using you, to keep piling onto you emotionally and expecting you to make them happy, expecting you to bring some positivity to their life, expecting you to do their homework, expecting you to always be happy, chirpy, singing, dancing, and and available for them. And they are never there for themselves. Forget being there for you. They are never even there for themselves. So, someone who cannot be there for themselves, someone who refuses to take responsibility of his own emotional wellness, of his own mental well being, of his own spiritual growth, of his own learnings of his life, of the direction in which he wants his life to go, you are not responsible for it. 2 years back, I gave up on being Rani Jhansi for friends, for family, of course, for my lovers and my choices in men, which was tragic. Um, and my life transformed. I simply realized that I will not take responsibility for another person's life. So don't be a Jhansi Ki Rani, be a Jhansi Ki Rani for your life, be a Robin Hood for yourself, and transform your life.